Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I have a new video in my Creating a Magical Christmas on a Budget series. Today I'm sharing useful gift ideas under $5, and I have free tags for you to use too. For the first DIY gift idea, you'll need some inexpensive candles. I found mine at my local Dollarama and IKEA. Next, it's time to personalize them. I found this coffee-scented candle that looks like a coffee cup at my local Dollarama, and I thought it would be perfect for gifting to a hockey mom. Then on the others, I made decals that said, "Smells better than hockey gear," "Smells like I want to be alone," and "In my Christmas era." I made Cricut decals for my candles, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could use glass markers, stickers, or paint. I used transfer tape to apply the decals to each of my candles. It was super simple and I love the way they turned out. These are just a couple of examples of how you can personalize candles. The possibilities are endless. And you can make the candles even more special by wrapping them in a cute way. I popped mine in these cellophane cookie bags from my local Dollarama and added warm wishes tags. If you want to grab the tags I designed for free, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Personalized candles make perfect holiday gifts for family and friends. They are inexpensive, customizable, thoughtful, and useful. Next up is the gift of an activity that can be done with family and friends. I found these Oreo Christmas houses at my local Dollarama for less than $5, and I think they make fantastic gifts. I used some red and white twine to attach a Christmas treat for someone sweet tag, and I think it's a super cute addition. If you are interested in getting these tags for your own sweet treats, I'll leave a link in the description box below. A sweet treat and the gift of time together. This last DIY gift is extremely easy, but still cute, inexpensive, and useful. All you need to do is purchase some disposable dishes. I found these red paper plates and striped napkins at my local Dollarama, and I used stickers to cover the price tags that I couldn't remove. You don't have to do this step, but I think it makes it look a lot nicer. Then use twine to attach a punny gift tag that says, "Christmas wishes for less dirty dishes." Again, I'll leave a link to the free downloadable tags I designed in the description box below. I think this is a lovely, inexpensive gift to share with neighbors, and it's a fun hostess gift too. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. I have a lot of fun things planned for the holiday season, and I don't want you to miss out. Talk to you next time. Bye.